Hello children and welcome to your English class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now children, as you all know that in the last chapter we read about the Jack and the magical beanstalk. So you all know that Jack was a poor boy who lived with his mother and they were very poor, so they have to sell their very loved cow named Daisy. Right children? And in return of that cow, what did Jack got? Jack got a magical beanstalk. And what happened with that beanstalk? Let's learn about that in this chapter. Chapter number 6, which is named as Jack Discovers a New World. Now in this chapter there is a new world. And what is a new world? नया पूरी नई दुनिया. जैक ने डिस्कवर की एक नई दुनिया. अब वो नई दुनिया क्या है? What is the new world? So children, it's very interesting story and let's read. I will not read the whole chapter because it is too long, but I'll read a few lines of the chapter and explain you the chapter in detail. Okay. When the beanstalk ended, Jack found himself in front of a great castle with a broad road leading straight up in the front gate. As you all know children, that the beanstalk grew very high and it reached to touch the sky. वो बहुत ही ऊपर तक beanstalk चला गया. And you all know that Jack was a very curious boy, very clever boy, very intelligent. So he wanted to know from where does this beanstalk is going. So he started climbing up, and when he climbed up the beanstalk, the place where it ended, there was a great castle. And now children, what is a castle? Castle is a huge palace. Okay? And there was a very big gate, main gate was there, which was open, right? As he drew near the castle, he saw a huge lady standing at the door. "Would you please, ma'am," said he, "give me some breakfast? As I have had nothing to eat since yesterday." As we all know children, that Jack was very hungry since they had not eaten anything since last night. So he asked for the breakfast. She said, "Very well, little man, come in. But you must be quick about it. If my husband, the giant, finds you here, he will eat you up, bones and all. Here is a cup of milk and some sandwiches." Suddenly, there was a loud knock at the front door, which seems to shake even the thick walls of the castle. Thick walls of the castle, मोटी मोटी दीवारें उस huge palace की भी shake होने लगी. कैसे shake होने लगी? Because there was a knock. There was a loud knock at the front door. Quickly, the giant's wife lifted Jack up and popped him into an empty kettle. Popped मतलब put inside, अंदर घुसा दिया. ठीक है? Why? To hide him from the giant. Otherwise what will happen? He will eat Jack. Okay children? So fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell the blood of a young one. Be it alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. उसने क्या बोला? Giant said, fee, fi, fo, fum, I smell. मुझे स्मेल आ रही है एक बच्चे के ब्लड की. या तो वो जिंदा होगा या मर जाएगा. But whatever it is, I'll grind the bones and make my bread and eat it as my breakfast. It's a boy. I'm sure it is. He continued. Where is he? I'll have him for my breakfast. Now he started asking his wife, where is he? I know it's a boy. Where is he? Tell me fast. I want to eat him in my breakfast. Nonsense, said his wife. You must be mistaken. It's the ox's hide you smell. As the giant has brought some ox for eating, so the wife is saying that you must be having the smell of ox's hide which you brought last night. उसकी smell होगी. You are mistaken. आप गलत बोल रहे हो. ठीक है? So he sat down and ate a greater part of the ox. When he had finished, he said, "Wife, bring me my money bags." His wife brought him 2 bags of gold, and the giant began to count his money. आपके पास भी गुल्लक होगा, और from time to time you love to count the number of rupees and coins you have in that gullak. So the giant also was having 2 money bags which were filled of gold. So always he used to sit and count कितने पैसे हैं उसके पास, how rich he is. Okay children? So the Jack watched in wonderment at all that was happening. ठीक है? और Jack कहाँ था? Jack was inside the kettle, और वो इतनी सी जगह दिख रही थी और वहां से वो देख रहा था. Wonderment means surprise. Why was he surprised? Because इतने बड़े giant को उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं था. And what was he doing? He was eating ox's hide. ठीक है? And he was counting his gold. So Jack was very much surprised. The giant then asked his wife to fetch his little hen which laid golden eggs. Have you seen, children, any such hen which laid golden eggs? No. The egg which we eat is not golden, it's normal egg. But since it's a magical story, है ना? So there was a hen which laid golden eggs. सोने के अंडे देने वाली मुर्गी थी उसके पास. The hen laid 20 golden eggs. How many golden eggs? 20 golden eggs. After the giant had put the eggs into a basket, he called out, "Wife, bring me the golden lyre." What is a lyre? Lyre is a musical instrument. उसके पास एक instrument था, जैसे हमारे पास गिटार होता है, पियानो होता है. The same way he was having a musical instrument called lyre. उसने बोला कि bring me the golden lyre. His wife brought the golden lyre and placed it on the table. "Sing," said the giant. And the lyre at once began to sing the most beautiful songs that ever were heard. It sang so sweetly that the giant soon fell fast asleep. वो गाना सुनते सुनते giant सो गया. And as I've told you children, it was a magical lyre. So वो गाना गाने लगा. उसको जैसे ही उसने बोला sing, तो started singing. And the song was so melodious that he fell fast asleep. सो गया. Seeing that the giant was fast asleep, Jack crept quietly out of the kettle. Crept quietly. Crept को क्या मैंने बताया था बच्चों आपको? कि walked quietly. धीरे 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 धीरे. ठीक है? In the class, you all also have showed me how to crept and tiptoed. धीरे से चल के आया. ऐसे चला जिसमें चलने में कोई भी आवाज नहीं होती. ठीक है? And he gathered the money bags. जल्दी से उसने मनी बैग्स उठाए. And the little hen also. Why? Because it used to give golden eggs. So आपको भी पसंद होगी ना वो hen जो golden eggs थे. So he took that also. He put it into a large bag, and just as he lifted the golden lyre, it called out, "Master, master!" उसने सोचा लायर भी ले लेते, इतना सुंदर गाना सुनाता है. जैसे ही उसने लायर उठाया, as it was magical, it started saying, "Master, master!" And the giant woke up just in time to catch the sight of Jack running out of the kitchen door. उसने देख लिया जैक को दौड़ भागते हुए. With a fearful roar, roar मतलब चिल्लाना, he screamed, "Fee, fi, fo, fum, I spy a country bum." गुस्से में बोला, मैंने एक बच्चे को देखा है, वो कंट्री से आया है. He is alive, but will soon be dead when I grind his bones to make my bread. he grabbed his club. What is club? A heavy stick which is thick at one end. ठीक है, बहुत मोटा सा डंडा उसने लिया और उसने बोला आज मैं इसको मार के ही छोड़ूंगा. ठीक है, he grabbed his club and dashed after Jack. भागा, जैक के पीछे भागा, who was already halfway down the beanstalk. But as we all know children that Jack has started earlier. वो जल्दी से भागा, पहले से भाग गया था, तो वो beanstalk के नीचे आधी beanstalk तक वो पहुंच चुका था. The giant began to climb down too, but as soon as the Jack saw him coming, he called out, "Mother, bring me an axe." Axe कुल्हाड़ी. ठीक है, उसने अपनी मम्मी को बोला, मम्मी मम्मी जल्दी से कुल्हाड़ी लाइए, bring me an axe. As you all know children that Jack was very clever, witty also. He knew what to do. So उसके दिमाग में आया कि अगर मैं एक्स से ये beanstalk को ही कट कर दूंगा तो the giant will fall down and he will be dead. So उसने जल्दी से अपनी मम्मी से एक्स मंगाया and Jack had no sooner reached the ground that he chopped the beanstalk. Chopped, कट कर दिया, beanstalk को कट कर दिया. Down came the giant with a terrible crash and that was the end of him. जब कोई बहुत ही भारी चीज ऊपर से नीचे गिरती है तो वो it is hurt and it is broken and it is dead. So the giant was also dead. With the bags of gold and little hen, Jack and his mother grew very rich and they lived happily ever after. So children, I hope you love the story. It was a very nice and interesting story where Jack was very clever and witty and intelligent and that is why he saved himself from giant. अगर वो बुद्धू होता, घोचू होता तो वो क्या करता, वो डर के मारे रोने लगता, अब क्या होगा मम्मा, he is coming, he will kill us. No, Jack ने क्या किया, he applied his brain कि if I'll cut the beanstalk तो वो नीचे कैसे आ पाएगा, वो नीचे beanstalk को ही पकड़ के आ रहा है, if I'll cut it then he will die. And he quickly called his mother, "Mother, give me an axe," and he cut the beanstalk, giant fall down and he died. So children, read the story once again and try to understand and go through all the difficult word meaning of the chapter and spell well words and enjoy yourself. Have a nice day.